The unexpected moment was caught on camera while a DoorDash employee was delivering an order. The doorbell camera captured a DoorDash driver carrying a bag of food and slowly walking onto the customer's porch to make the delivery.
You're getting food.
After notifying the man inside, she waited for him to come out to get the food, unaware that a dog had already noticed her. And when handing the food to the man, she never expected this.
I don't like that! I don't like
The mischievous dogs really scared her. Even though the man tried to reassure her that they were friendly, she still couldn't believe them.